Germany right-wing Christian Democrats and left-wing Social Democrat agreeing created new government in Germany. Boris Pistorius, Social Democrats, saved his defense minister position, and Friedrich Merz, next Germany Chancellor. Who is a Friedrich Merz? He is a lawyer working in Germany judicial system, former member of European Parliament, and he's also working great experience also in the private sectors, in the American global investment BlackRock company, and he's a member of the Germany Bundestag, and he's a person, his vision, and he's a new Germany Chancellor.